guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to import invoices in Zoho Books. So, let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account and go to the Sales module from the left-hand menu. Click on Invoices, then look for the More drop-down at the top right and select Import Invoices. Next, you'll be prompted to upload a file. Zoho Books supports CSV or Excel files, so make sure your invoice data is formatted correctly before uploading. You can also download a sample file from Zoho to match the required format. Once your file is selected, map the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books, such as customer name, invoice number, date, and amount. Double-check that everything is accurate to avoid errors. After mapping, click Import. Zoho Books will process your file and add all invoices into your system. You can now view them in your invoices list for tracking, reporting, or sending to clients. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.